Inter-team collaboration. Is it due to workplace or to people? I'm Jordi Robert Reeves, founder of Connecting Perspectives. We enable effective collaboration within companies. Let's go back to our question. To achieve effective collaboration with your team, should you focus on workplace or on people? I delivered today an experience talk at this great company. Emotion experience, great workspace, great attention to detail, how computers are placed, great attention to lighting. They even have great attention to smell. They've put roses today. Imagine for 1 second that you would like two teams within your company to collaborate better, more effectively. Which ones would they be? Like finance and marketing, R&D, and sales? Would you focus first on workplace or would you focus first on behaviors? Workspace is easy to change, just a matter of doing some renovations. Behaviors take longer. Which one would you tackle first? As usual, I look forward to receiving your comments, and in a few days' time, I'll be back here summarizing them. Keep connecting new perspectives.